How to find your Fire Kirin user ID. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game and wait for it to fully load. Make sure you are signed in, either as a guest or using your Facebook account. Next, once you are on the main game screen, look for your profile or avatar icon, usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon and this will open your account details or player information page. Here you will find your user ID clearly displayed. It's usually a string of numbers or a combination of letters and digits labeled as ID. You can copy it or take a screenshot for reference if you need to share it for customer support or account linking. Make sure not to confuse it with your name, which might also be visible in the same section. Now you know how to find your Fire Kirin user ID. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.